Things are getting pretty stinky in the truck camper chicken shack here, so we're gonna get things cleaned out and get them some new fresh bedding in there. And I'd say probably another three weeks and they'll be ready to be moved in with the big ones. We're gonna put all of this old nasty bedding in our little makeshift compost heap, and it's nice and wet, so it'll start breaking down, especially in this hot sun. It'll break down pretty fast, and hopefully by next year be good, beautiful compost ready for the garden. All right, so Aiden got the milking stand all together, so we've got our place for our little bowl here. We put the grain in, and this, is there a way to release it? Does it rock back and forth, or is it just solid?
Oh,
okay.
You're talking about the legs? But you can
Yeah, so you can adjust the legs for the height, but yeah, you just get the goat up on here, and they stand here and lift this up to adjust, put their head in the bowl, eat. You lock them in place, and then you can go to town on milking them. So we're gonna get outside, and we're gonna try to get our first ever bit of milk from our nanny goat. It's the first time I've ever milked a goat. It's the first time I've ever gotten milk, but it's time some of these animals start paying some bills, making us some money, or at least giving us some food. So let's get it outside. Let's see how she works. Hey, Cupcake, you sweetheart. Are you hot? You hot, Piggy? You hot, Piggy? You princess, aren't you, Cupcake? You princess. You princess.
I'm gonna fill it up with more water. I like to like turn around. I like if she was like.
It's a lot better in the shade than the gal. Yeah. The big girls are not made for the summer. Big girls like to have fun in the summer too. Cool. Let it all hang out, sugar. Oh, Cupcake, you good piggy. You are a good piggy. You a big piggy, but you good, eh? She's hilarious to watch, dude. Big girl. Oh, Cupcake, she's a good gal. She cooks good too. She's the kind of girl that, she's pretty plump, but she got a good personality. You clean it out. I noticed when she gets the ground wet, she can dig easier, and she likes that. She made a little mud pit over there. That's why I was like, I gotta get her in the shade, because she's hot. She wants to get a nice little mud pit. Get cooled down. I had a drink, dude.
Yeah, dude, it's hot.
No. No, I don't think I drink pig milk.
Drink goat milk?
Yeah, I drink goat milk. I mean, am I like gonna like, am I starving? Is it like apocalyptic? Like, that's all I have is pig milk?
Why don't they milk them? Milk every other animal.
I don't know, does that sound good? Like pig milk?
Kinda.
They milk camels. There's a camel milk farm in Missouri.
They probably milk pigs in India or something.
Yeah, probably. They don't eat pigs in India, I think. They don't like to eat pigs in some of them countries.
Most of them are Catholic.
No, not Catholic, like Muslim or Buddhist. Hindu.
Hindu.
They like that grass, don't they?
Here, you can get up and see the one that's still attached to the mom. Oh, you can get little bunny tails and little feet. That's my favorite.
I have to get grass for all the others too.
Yeah, that'd be a good thing for them.
Doing some home-cooked fried chicken tendies today. And you know you're doing something right when all the pets won't leave you alone because they can't stop smelling the delicious aromas in the kitchen. Got even some homemade sauce here, dipping sauce, some Worcestershire, some honey, a little ketchup. Those are already all stripped out, ready to go into the fryer. We got first flour, gives a nice coat, and we throw it in the egg batter. Fresh farm eggs, obviously. Then we got a second flour batter, and we get it all coated and delicious, and it pops in the fryer for that home cooked meal. The dill is starting to flower, so we harvested a bunch here. Gonna stick that in the dehydrator, make some dill salt. Gonna be delicious.